said the garbage disposal ain't working. Looks like they had some break off there, teeth broke off. It's a shaker. Yeah, these garbage disposals are plug-ins. This is pretty nice. Take these screws out first. I'm gonna go in with a higher horsepower. This one's 1/3. I like to put in a half. Give them a little more kick. Take the old dishwasher hose off. Might be some water. Put a bucket underneath. Eee. I like to smack it with a hammer just because it's more fun. Nothing deep. I don't like to get all deep and overanalyze everything. Just smack it with a hammer because it's more fun. Oh, good thing that was loose. I saw the vibration loosened it up. The old one is out. Clean it, make it smooth. Get ready for the new plumber's putty. New plumber's putty. Time to drop the new one in. This is a Badger garbage disposal. Back these screws up a little bit, and that ring should pop off. That way you can get all that egg salad out of there. It all drops. Just this goes in the top. All this goes on the bottom. There we go, now we'll tighten it from the bottom. Alright guys, I got a tip from a subscriber, Justin Burkhofer. What's up, Skid? To hold this stuff up with a zip tie. And it works. Never done it before. And also to hold this down, to keep it from coming up when I put the ring on. I just put my bag on top of it in the sink. Also got the old disposal on top. So it's got some nice weight on it. Just a little tech tip. But I like this zip tie trick. Thanks, Justin. Oh my gosh, that's so much easier. Justin, thank you, Skid. Awesome tip. Now I'll just cut the zip tie off and cinch it down. Zip ties out of there. Yeah, I see your space pictures over there. You work in the, used to work in...
Sorry, say again?
I see your space pictures over there. You used to work in the space program or
Yeah,
anything?
I was on the launch team for the Apollo moon rockets, and then in between that and Space Shuttle, I got to design the gas detection systems we use at the launch pad.
Wow.
And then went back to launch operations and put those systems I designed to work.
Wow, that anniversary just passed. The anniversary just passed, that Apollo.
Yeah, 50th anniversary.
Yeah, that's cool, man. So
Makes me feel old.
you were on the launch team. That's awesome.
Yeah, that was I really enjoyed that.
Thanks, kid. It's not every day you get to put in a disposal for a Apollo Space Shuttle launch team member. just want to tighten these screws down. The 50th anniversary of the Apollo mission just passed. Pretty cool. Alright, these are nice and snug. Now you're going to throw the disposal on this rail here and smack it all the way up to that. If a little bit of plumber's putty comes out, it's all good. Just take it off, put it back in the bucket. Alright, new guys, this is very important. Do not forget to knock this plug out. Because if you don't, the dishwasher won't drain and the on-call guy will get a call at 2 o'clock in the morning. Flood. And for some reason, residents wash dishes at 2 in the morning. I don't know why. Push it up high as you can and then hook it on the rail. You know that hook right there? Hook it on the rail. Just slides along that rail and you can smack this with a hammer and get it to go up further. There we go, that's nice and snug. Again, I do it with a hammer because it's more fun. I'm going to keep this gasket right here. I like these better than what comes with the disposal. It's not dry rotted or anything. Still got some good flex and elasticity to it. Sure, these are nice and snug. Dishwasher line back on. I know the plug is knocked out. Got these screws back in, nice and snug. Alright, we're good. We'll plug it back in, run some water, give it a test. All dry. Looks like we're good, Skid. I'm gonna go ahead and get a lesson on the old Apollo launch from one of the original launch team members. Alright, thank you all for watching the Dirty Maintenance Show.
You know you got to pay rent to my mind.